Hi, my name is Marilyn. I'm coming to you from Spruce Grove, Alberta, Canada. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator who loves to share and create cards with you, usually cards, sometimes 3D projects, sometimes things that can be adapted to scrapbook pages, but not all the time. But just love sharing things and love, love, love the community that we have built with this paper crafting journey. I joined Stampin' Up! In September of 2007. So yes, I've been at it for quite a while, and there's still always things that I love to learn each day. So I want to share them with you. So please come on, comment, share my videos. Let me know what you like, and let me know if there's anything that I can research and share with you in the next video or whatever. I would love doing that. I love learning. I feel that my day is not lost if I've learned something new, and you'll hear me say that every once in a while. I do host 2 classes a month on Zoom, so you can join those from anywhere in the world if you want to join and craft with me. Plus I have a Friday class that I invite others to teach. We send out the Zoom link the day before so we can get our project papers and everything ready to create together, and then we just have a great time visiting and chatting and getting to know each other, and it helps spend an hour or more on a Friday afternoon. And if you can join, fine. If you can't, I always send out a recording of it to those who have asked to join our Zoom group. So let me know if you're interested in that, and I will hook you up with the right subscription. Well, it's not a paid subscription, but just joining the right emails to get in on that. So like I say, it's been a great journey so far, and I hope to continue for quite a while with weekly videos for you, showing and sharing things with you that I really enjoy doing. So let me know what you think. Please share my videos, comment, like, and keep in touch. I love hearing from you. Take care now.